Hi guys, how are you? I hope all are you good. My name is Tulsi Kumar. Welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creative Things. Guys, today topic is Nexus. Guys, these are topics are today what is Nexus, why Nexus, how to install Nexus in Ubuntu server. Guys, these are simply I saying in simple topic and you remember it. I some comments I will do it. Guys, what is Nexus? Nexus is a open source distribution. You can store the artifacts. Guys, once you can create the artifacts, you can store in Nexus artifacts. Run the Maven goals, then create the var and jar files. Then store the Nexus repository. Once you can continuous integration, you can run the Maven goals. Then automatically generate jar and var files. Then store the artifacts in Nexus repository. Guys, I will show it how to install Nexus server in Ubuntu 18.4 instance. What is the repository? You can push create the Maven repository. Guys, once you can run the Maven goals, then push the repository in artifacts store in Nexus like jar and var files. What is Nexus? What is Nexus, guys? A Nexus installation brings you such a repository for your company. So you can host your own repositories but also use Nexus as a proxy for public repositories. With such a proxy, the time to receive an artifact is reduced and it saves bandwidth. Nexus allows host your private build artifact. Nexus is available commercial and open source distribution. Guys, store this point is very important. Nexus repository can only server release of snapshots artifact, while artifacts also support the storing in both. Guys, simply saying in Nexus is a open source. You can store in the artifacts in Nexus. Once you can run the Maven goals, then generate the var and jar and var files, can store the Nexus repository. Simply, guys, then go to architecture in Nexus. See this, guys, can run the Maven. This is Maven central repository. This the here run the Maven goals, then directly configure the Jenkins. You can store the artifacts in Nexus repository. Definitely I will do these practicals, guys, tomorrow also. Today also only Nexus, why Nexus, how to install Nexus. Then definitely practical they will do the tomorrow, guys. This is a architecture in Nexus. Then go to how to install Nexus. Open in my AWS account. Go to the console and go to the sign in the console. Go to EC2. Go to the running instance. Guys, once remember it, can definitely it is a chargeable, guys. Note this point. Definitely used in T2 medium. Guys, definitely used in T2 medium instance. Then storage 8 GB. Then definitely supported in T2 medium, guys. This is once remember, guys, this is chargeable. Go to my ACT instance and launch the instance. Select the Ubuntu server freetail. Then go to T2 medium. Guys, see this guys. I select the T2 medium. Then go to configuration. Add the storage. Add the tags. Guys, see this 8 GB RAM. Go to configuration. Go to security groups and launch it. I selected the existing key pair. Then launch the instance. Go to view instance. See this guys, this is running. Write the name in access and select it. This is running guys. Go to the PEM file. Open my instance PEM file. Open the git bash. Then select the IP address. This here also running. Yes, it's running guys. Select the public IP address. Go to the instance and type the SSH-i AWS Ubuntu IP address. Then yes guys, successfully connected my instance. Type the sudo su. Guys, see this comments. Remember it guys, mostly important this session. Sudo su and go to the root user guys. Root user. I am in root user. Then go to cd opt guys. Then use this. See this guys. Use this w command and download the Nexus. Use this URL guys. I will show it what is going on. Guys, use this website. I see this. Download Nexus. Use this website guys. Go to this, download the Sonar type help. Go to this and copy the tar.gz. Guys, remember guys, this URL will copy the link address. Go to the my server. Use wget command and paste it. Yes guys, is installed ls. This is installed guys. Then go to next comments. See this guys, next using in extract this file using tar.xv. Then I show it guys. Let's download it and then extract it tar-xvzdef. Then extracted guys. Then ls I show it. See this guys, extracted Nexus 3.24 and Sonar type work. Next, go to the change the name in use mv command. Once change the name in Nexus Nexus -3 mv Nexus -3 slash Nexus. Use this command, mv command, then change the name in Nexus 3. Yes guys, Nexus 3 in my change the name. Yes guys, change the name in Nexus 3. Enter. Missing the destination file opened after Nexus mv help. See this guys, Nexus missing destination mv. Yes guys, see this. Once change the name, then go to ls, change the permissions. See this command guys. Once rename the, change the name and go to the change permission. Use this command chown chown ls. Permission is root user guys, present use root user. Then change the ubuntu user chown or username and password guys. Say chown -r username and password, and Nexus /sonar. Can change the permission and check the permission also guys. Change the after change the permission, then go this is ubuntu user, then go to the other command of this is a file permissions, chmod. This is a file permission. I access the file permission also, chmod guys. Access this is a file permissions, then install the Java guys. Must and should they install in Java 1.8. Sudo install the package. Use this command guys, sudo apt get update and sudo apt get install openjdk. Once use this command and install the Java 1.8.0. Installing the Java and openjdk handlers. on Ubuntu. Then go to once install the Java, check this command install or not Java -version. Once check it, then installing Java 1.8. Preparing the packages on OpenJDK. Then install the libraries. Adding the process. Yes guys, is installed. Once check the install or not Java -version. Yes guys, see this, install Java version 1.8.0. then go to ls, go to cd nexus 3, cd bin folder, and open vi.rc. once see this guys, this is open nexus.rc. vi. Guys, this click on I insert mode and type the which user running in Nexus, Ubuntu user. Then remove the unrelated characters, then save it. Once save this win folder and create the soft link. This is a soft link guys, this is soft link. ln -s / opt / nexus / bin ln -s / opt / nexus / bin / nexus d / nexus. What is this? Yes. Target nexus is not directory. Yes guys, see this, create the soft link, then go to this command, which route I am using in present, what is I am using in present, what is this I am using in root user, what is the user present working, who I am this guys, I am present in root user. Then go to the switch to Ubuntu user, su -ubuntu, check it once, where I am yes guys, this is Ubuntu user. Once what directory present /home /ubuntu directory, then go to the enable server. See this guys, use this command and enable the Nexus artifact. Sudo syst sy system 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 CTL enable Nexus 3. No guys, command not from systemctl sudo systemctl enable Nexus sudo systemctl enable the Nexus command sudo system. Guys, command is wrong. Sudo enable Nexus service is not active. Then go to sudo systemctl start the Nexus sudo sy system arrow command using in easy to understanding sudo systemctl start start Nexus. Yes guys, started. Once check this started or not. Sudo systemctl status status. See this guys, active the Nexus, run the Nexus server, then go to the my Amazon instance services, my server, then go to the inbound rules, access the port number, go to the launch inbound rules, go to the inbound rules and edit the inbound rules and add the rules. Guys, Nexus default port is 8081. Remember it guys, Nexus default port is 8081. Then access the anywhere, select it and go to the save the rules and go to the instance and select the IP address, copy the IP address and access the new tab and paste the IP address and write the port number 8081. Guys, see this, Nexus server is loading installation. See this guys, open to Nexus server. Yes, configuration, documents, communities. This is a Nexus server guys. Once sign in, username is admin, password is admin. Sign in, incorrect username and password. 1 2 3. Yeah, permissions, use this application. Guys, I created username and password and then sign in the Nexus repository. Open successfully in Nexus. Guys, I definitely tomorrow I also how to store this. Yes guys, see this on save the password running, and definitely tomorrow I will I will push the artifacts in Nexus repository and how to configure the how to create the Nexus repository, how to maintain the artifacts, and definitely I will show it guys. Definitely I will do it in tomorrow. Then please guys, I think I understand this video. I will definitely share with document. These comments also definitely share with in description. If you are interested, then post your email id, drop your email id. I definitely share with your email. I hope understand this video, guys. Please like and share and subscribe. Don't forget in bell icon. Please, guys, definitely I will continue the next sessions in. Definitely, guys, please share and like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye.